Hey everyone, it's Tiffany with Miller's Mad Creation. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to go over my Undated Pink Leopard Planner. I've made some updates that include adding Apple and Google Calendar integrations to make planning a lot easier, and I'm going to walk you through and show you how to do that. Before we get started, I'm using my 12.9-inch iPad Pro with second generation Apple Pencil. I have a pen-like tip on the end and an Apple silicone case that I got off Amazon. I will be linking those below. As for the app I'm using, it is GoodNotes 6. It's what I recommend for using Apple products, but there are other PDF note-taking apps as well that will work with Apple or Android as well. I also have a OneNote version of my Rainbow Delight Planner available as well if you're using OneNote, so that is an option as well. So if you are new to the digital planning world, digital planning is like having a paper planner. It's only better if you have an undated digital planner like this one. You can buy it one time and then use it over and over each year. If you're a planner sticker lover, then you're going to love digital planning because, like I said, I'm using GoodNotes 6. So the first thing that you're going to want to do, because you can use the stickers over and over as well. So you don't have to worry about buying sticker packs and using them one time and then you can't use it again because it's used. So that's another plus about digital planning, is go up here and make sure you toggle on whether or not your links are clickable or if you are in edit mode. So you want to make sure it's there. I have two different indexes in this planner, so we're just going to scroll down to the first one. So if you click on the top area, it's going to bring you to this page, and if you click on the bottom portion, it's going to bring you to this page. So I designed this planner with ease of use in mind. So every page that you're on, you can click on the index and it's going to bring you to one of these two pages depending on which one you click on. So if we're on the second index page, you'll see everything broken down. So every single month has a finance, habit, note, reflection, and blank page. So I designed this index so that you can quickly go to any of the months, different sections, without having to flip all through the planner. And also, if you'll notice, we'll go to January finance page. Every single page of this planner will have a month at a glance, monthly finance, habit tracker, monthly notes, monthly reflection, and blank page. So each one of these circles represent this month's sections. And we'll just quickly go through them. Here's your habit tracker, your monthly reflections, your blank page, and this you can have and you can use it. You can just duplicate it and use it for whatever you need to add on to your January page or each month after that. So an update that I did in this planner is adding the Apple links and the Google Calendar links. So in order to use them, you're going to have to click down here where it says Enable Apple Calendar Links. And then here are the instructions. So to use the Apple Calendar links, you must install the Miller's Mad Creation shortcut on your Apple device. First, go to your settings on your device, shortcuts, enable private sharing, and you can turn this off whenever you're done, and then install the shortcut below. So first we want to go to settings, and we're going to go to shortcuts, and we're going to turn on private sharing. Again, you can turn this off whenever you're done. So we're going to click this link, and anytime you click on a link that's taking you out of the planner, it's going to ask you, so you just say yes, and then you're going to set up shortcut. I already have mine set up, but it's going to ask you what app do you want to put it in. We're going to put it in GoodNotes. If you want, you can select something else, but we're using GoodNotes, and you're going to hit add to shortcut. You'll see that it's already here, and now it's able to be used. And again, if you want to go back and turn off the private sharing, you can do that as well. So now that we have our Apple links installed, we can go to we'll go to January, and you will see on the top of every page you have an Apple Calendar link and you have a Google Calendar link. Now you don't have to do anything for Google Calendar link. I'll show you real quick. You just click on it. It's going to ask you if you want to leave the app again. You're going to hit yes, and it's going to take you to your Google Calendar. So you just want to make sure you're signed into the right calendar, and you can just enter in your event here and click save, and it's going to show up in your Google Calendar. For Apple, we're going to click here. We're going to say yes. It's going to go through the shortcut and it's going to open it up. So it's going to ask you, do you want to add a new event or new reminder? So we're going to do a new event. We're going to select the current date. Actually, we're going to select specific date. And so say if I have an appointment coming up on Thursday the 9th, I'm going to click and change the time if you need to. And then done. So now your event is going to open up and you're just going to give it a title. We're going to go with doctor appointment. It's already got our time and date selected. And you can select, if you have multiple calendars, you could select which one you want to put it under. And then you're going to hit add. So now if I go to my calendar, you're going to see on May 9th that I have an appointment for 3:30. So this planner is an undated planner. I've already dated it by adding stickers so that whenever I'm coming through each month and stuff, I don't have to think about that. It's already done. But if you notice, on every single page, and I'm going to take you through every single page, you're going to see the numbers down here. And even though this is an undated planner, I try to make it as much as like a dated planner is, so that anywhere in the months, the weeks, or the days, you're able to click on these numbers and it's going to take you to that day of the month. So we click on 5 and it's going to take us to January 5th. If we go to another month, you'll see the same thing. The week takes you to the 1st, May 1st. If you want to go to a week inside your daily page, you can click up there and it's going to take you to that week. And since we have an undated planner, you're just going to write in which week it is, the dates here for that week. So if we look at the top here, we have different sections up here. So we have notes, goals, vision board, finances, stickers, and extras. So if you click on the notes, there's blank notes, aligned page, dot grid, a graph page, a meal planner with a shopping list, a contacts page, a passwords page, there's a goals page. Here's where you could put a vision board so you can insert pictures and stuff of dreams or things that are going on right now that you want to work on. And again, there's extra finance page, a gift list, and then we're going to go to your stickers page, which you can get to by clicking here. So I've already imported all mine in there. I have a video. I'm going to upload that and show you how to do that as well. But once they're all in here, you can just come in. We're going to go off clickable mode and go to edit mode. And so if I want to use this picture right here, I could just take and lasso and I can copy and go to a page that I want to go to. Go back into edit mode. I'm going to click on image and I'm going to paste. And I can add it anywhere that I want to. And there's my sticker. And again, I can use it over and over again. So if I want to copy, paste, I can use it as many times as I want to. Also, if we go back here to the extras and say I want to use this, but I want to put it in my current month, I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click copy page, and then I'm going to go, okay, once it's copied, I'm going to go to January and I'm going to go to the blank page. So we're going to hit here and we're going to paste the page. And that's how easy it is. So now you'll see that after January, after the blank page, we've inserted Meal Planner. So you can give this page the title of January Meal Planner if you want. You can also duplicate it as well. So now there's 2. So I think I've covered a lot here. I will show you how to go about purchasing the planner if you would like this. So let's just go to my Google. And we're going to go to my website. And so as you can see, I have different planners listed. This one's not listed yet. I'm going to be listing it as soon as I'm done editing this video. But you're just going to click on the planner that you want. And we're going to go view cart. and then you're going to proceed to checkout. And then you're just going to fill in all your information, then you're going to submit your order. So once it's done, you're going to go to your account, and you're going to go down to your downloads, and you're going to see the planner listed. It's going to show different things depending on what you purchased. So you're going to see that your planner is right here, and your digital stickers are here, and this one actually comes with some bonus stickers from an old planner. So you're just going to click on the link. We're going to hit download. Once it's done downloading, you're going to hit open in. I like to save it in my files, so that's what I'm going to do. Let's just go to downloads and save. And then you can go to your files, throw in my downloads. We're going to open. And then we're going to click this little button right here. And then we're going to tell it to open in GoodNotes. And you're going to want to change it to import as a new document. And then you just put it where you want to put it. And then there it is. So as you can tell, this one is different. It doesn't have the links or anything. This is an older version. But that's how easy it is to purchase and download your planner. So I hope this was informative. I hope that y'all enjoy this planner as much as I do. I'm really enjoying using the new Apple links and Google links. It definitely makes my planning a lot easier. Also makes it to where I get notifications from my calendar apps to remind me of different things that I have planned. Also, let me show you how the event works. It's going to ask us if we want to open an external link. We're going to hit yes. And then it's going to ask us which one. So we're going to hit new reminder. And let's see, upload video. We're gonna hit done. And it's gonna, you can choose what list you want to add it to. Add a time. And we'll just say at 5 o'clock. Now if I go to my reminders, you're going to see that it's right there. So that's it. This is my new updated Pink Leopard planner with the Google links and Apple links integrated. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to message me. Leave a comment below. Be sure to hit that follow button so you can get updates whenever I do upload a new video. If you'd like to download some freebies, be sure to check out my freebie vault on my website and join my mailing list. It is password protected, so you will need to be on the mailing list to get the password. And I'll see you guys on the next video.